I was able to grow this channel from 12 subscriber to 1000 subscriber in just 72 hours, guys. And in this channel you are watching me from, I was able to grow this channel in the space of 2 weeks from 500 to 1000 subscriber when I was struggling to get my 1000 subscriber. And there are so many creators on this app wishing to get their 1000 subscriber, even though they have already gotten their watch hour. They are wishing that they want to get their 1000 subscriber. Getting 1000 subscriber is the easiest and the most hardest thing to do right now. In fact, everything to get on YouTube is easy and is hard at the same time. You only need the right information, and what I'm about to show you in this video is just in your YouTube app. Whenever you are trying to upload your YouTube shorts, this setting that is going to give you your subscriber is right there looking at you, but 99% of creators ignore this setting. They just feel that this setting, once they use it, is not going to get them subscribers. It's going to get you subscribers. Do not ignore this setting anymore. Now in this video, I am going to be showing you this setting, how to use it. And you don't even need to collab. You don't even need to use this setting with bigger creators. You don't need to contact any big creator. You don't need to message any big creator to be able to help you with this setting. You need to do it with your own self, your own channel. If you already have a pre-existing channel that is working, that already has subscribers, and you want to grow another channel, or in fact if you want to implement this in your own channel, I'm going to be giving you a blueprint you are going to use that will help you get your 1000 subscriber in the next 72 hours. That is 3 days. And you are going to come back to this video and type yes, it worked for you. It's going to work for you if you follow this step by step. Now this setting is directly on your YouTube app. Now when you want to use this setting, you are going to go to your YouTube app and then turn on this setting. Now you are going to do as if you want to create a video. You are going to create this video right here using shorts. Now you are going to create your short video. After creating your short video and everything, you are going to look for a big creator to be able to, like, now let's use my Roblox. Okay, let's use Roblox now, for example. Now this is a Roblox kind of, okay, now this is it here. Now this is something that you are going to be able to collaborate with this type of channel. Now you are going to click on the channel and then go to their most viewed, most popular. Now this is it. This is their most popular. Now I'm going to be picking the one that is, like, more popular. This is 17 million. Now what you are going to do here is, after clicking on this arrow button right here, you are going to click on this reshare button right here. You are going to collab with it. After collabing with it, you are going to pick how many seconds it's going to collab and everything. Then you are just going to wait for it to load. Now what you are going to be doing right here is you are going to be reacting to this video. Now let's assume that I am reacting to this video. This is just a demo, so I'm going to be reacting to this video, reacting. Then after I'm done reacting, you are going to put in everything you need to put in this video: your caption, your text, subscribe for more. Do you see what I'm doing right here? You are going to put it up here. Then you are going to click on next. Now this is where this setting comes up. Now this is what many people usually ignore. After putting your title, whatever title you want to put, for YouTube short you can put in hashtag. You can put in YouTube. You don't need to put in any title for short. You can put in hashtag for short. I've already made a video about it before. Check it out on my channel. You are going to see it there. You are going to put in viral hashtag that is going to make your video to go far. So now let's go to why we are here. After putting your related video, maybe you have another short in your channel, you have a long form video. This is going to get you watch hour. I'm going to be creating a video specially for this, so you understand how you can do this. Now this is where your setting is. After clicking your altered content, no, and then you are putting your tags. You can put in any tags you want. I don't want to. That's not why we are here. You are going to click on community and you are going to invite collaborator. This is where you are going to put in the channel that you want these people to subscribe to after subscribing to this channel. Now I'm going to be putting my main channel as a collaborator, Glow with Blessing, and I'm going to create this link. Now once you have copied, you are going to click on copy link here, and you are going to go back here. Now it's pending acceptance, as you can see here right now. Now I'm going to go to my YouTube desktop version to be able to click on this collaboration. I can just save, you can save this collaboration on your WhatsApp. Save this collaboration on your WhatsApp and then go back and send the collaboration to yourself and then click on it. Once you have done this, you can now go and click on the collaboration right here. Okay, clearly your other account have accepted the collaboration, or the account you are using, the account, your friend's account that you're already using this short for, it is going to appear as subscribe when anybody click on that subscribe button to subscribe to that channel. Immediately any new user see that video and subscribe to the channel, they'll feel it's a YouTube glitch and they'll want to, like, I've already subscribed to the channel, and they are seeing subscribe again. They'll click it the second time, and when they click it the second time, it has already shown 2 subscriptions for you, 1 for your other channel, that is your one for your main channel, that is the main channel you did the video, you did this YouTube short with, and then the other for the one that you collaborated with. That is how you can get your 1000 subscriber easily. And when you are doing this over and over and over again, now you can see that this account I used, now I'm going to let me start my screen record. Look at the account I used for this short. This account I created especially for shorts, to create shorts. So once I'm done this, once I create this shorts, the other shorts I've already created on my channel, I can easily just go back there, edit the shorts. Now let me go to the YouTube studio and do that so you see. So I can save this as draft and then use it later. So now I'm going to show you how you can use your pre-existing videos to do this thing. Now I want to click on the most viewed shorts here. This is my most viewed short. Now I can now go here, click on this arrow button here, then click on edit. Once you edit this video right now, I can be able to collaborate with my main channel. You click on collaborations, I can be able to collaborate my main channel, and then my main channel will just be getting subscribers without even doing anything serious. Somebody viewing this video will subscribe to my channel that I used to create the video and the other channel that I collaborated with. I've seen so many people ask, does YouTube short collaboration work? It works. It works very, very well. That was how I was able to grow this particular channel you are seeing too. Now this channel you are seeing right here is 191 subscribers. I added to 225 subscribers. I grew it last year, late last year, with collaboration. I was collaborating all the videos, all the shorts with my main channel. That was how I was able to get this much subscriber, including the subscribers I gained from this short video I usually post. So that is how you can be able to get your 1000 subscriber in 72 hours, 3 days. You are going to get your 1000 subscriber. So you don't need to be panicking and disturbing yourself. How you are going to get 1000? How you are going to get? If you have a second channel, do this method I have shown you. If you know that you have a friend that has a big channel that does shorts, do this method with that friend. Tell him to always collaborate with your channel, and before you know it, you have gotten to your 1000 subscriber. Easy peasy. And if you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Blessing. I teach tips and strategies on how you can grow your YouTube channel organically, how to get your 1000 subscriber, how to monetize your channel, how to get your 4000 watch hour. And I'll be seeing you in my next video.